Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to turn off Android Auto on any Android. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to access the settings options from here. Find the option for apps and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the apps interface. Tap on the option see all apps. Now you'll be able to see all the applications over here. What you have to do is find the application for Android Auto. Once you find the application, tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the app info interface of Android Auto. If you're using Android 9 or earlier, you'll be able to find the option for uninstall. Simply tap on it and the application will be removed completely. But if you're using any other version of Android, you'll be able to find the option for disable. Simply tap on the option disable. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Simply tap on the option disable app. Now you can see over here Android Auto will be disabled. So that is how you turn off Android Auto on any Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.